Now the national weather forecast with Michael Fish.
Good evening to you. No end in sight to the cold snap. In fact, it may well get worse before it gets better. And we're not alone. Just look at this. Some of these temperatures earlier on today, record low temperatures, in fact, near to Warsaw, below freezing, even close to the Costa del Sol, right the way down across Italy, where it was snowing, and it's been snowing there for most of the day. And we're going to keep these cold easterly winds throughout the foreseeable future. In fact, that biting wind picking up early next week, when we might get some snow with it as well, but of course that's a long way off. Now at the moment we've got some cloud feeding across in from the east. It started off very icy in some parts of the country, so do watch out. But as that cloud comes across, so temperatures will rise for a while, and then clearing skies following again, and the temperature going down, and it's already clear skies and below freezing in many western areas. So temperatures up and down like a yo-yo, but the main theme is that eventually we're all going to have a frost, so do watch. As I said, there will be some slippery patches around. Tomorrow we start off in many southern parts rather on the cloudy side, just here and there, as there will be tonight. The odd sort of flake of snow or light bit of rain and sleet, but that'll soon move away and die out. The cloud will break. And for much of the day, for much of the country, it's going to be dry and bright. Some weak winter sunshine, best in that northwestern area. Just a chance of the odd light snow flurry near to that east coast, but most areas really staying dry. That wind's going to be picking up again, though. We've had it before, and that cold wind, raw wind coming in from the east or the northeast, making it feel particularly bitterly cold, I think, eventually across the southeastern corner of the country. Well, if anything, actually the temperatures might go down as the day wears on, and it's not really going to be brilliant temperature-wise anywhere tomorrow. And then a sharp frost countrywide tomorrow night, and then we start off with a reasonably bright day on Sunday with some sunshine. Already some wintry showers near to that eastern coast, and they're going to spread further and further south and west, I think, as the day goes along, and more of those showers turning to sleet or snow, but western and southern parts staying fine and dry. Then the wintry theme continues into Monday. By that time many eastern areas having some sleet or snow showers, but the more western parts staying fine and dry. That's all from me. A very good evening.
A late night look at the weather now on BBC One with Michael Fish.
Hello there. Some more wintry weather in the next few days. In fact, if anything, especially in the south, it may well get colder. High pressure still there in command. That's going to be around for the next few days. At the moment, we've got some cloud working its way westwards across the country. It's producing just a little bit of light rain or even sleet. It'll continue to move westwards during the night, so that where temperatures have dipped below freezing, they'll rise again. But then as clearer weather comes in from the east, they'll probably dip down around freezing before the night's out. So all in all, although temperatures will be going up and down like a yo-yo, we're all going to have, or most of us are going to have, a frost at some time or other. So watch out for those icy patches on the roads. The only areas to escape probably around some of the coast. Tomorrow we'll start off with some cloud and maybe just a little bit of light rain, sleet, flake or two of snow across southern parts, but it isn't going to be long before that moves away. The cloud breaks up. For most of us, for much of the day, it's going to be dry and bright, some weak sunshine, best sunshine probably in those northwestern areas, just a chance of a little light snow flurry from time to time near that east coast. We are going to have to contend with that wind again, though, picking up all the while from the northeast or the east. A real raw wind, I think, by the end of the day, making it feel very cold indeed across the southeastern corner of the country. Not that it's going to be particularly warm anyway. A very good night to you.